a new era of air superiority, introducing the Gripen. This aircraft is not just another fighter jet. It represents a leap forward in aviation technology and military strategy. The Gripen is designed to meet the challenges of modern warfare head-on, offering unparalleled performance and versatility. The skies are changing, a new breed of fighter jet is emerging, one that challenges the established order and redefines the possibilities of air power. The Gripen is at the forefront of this transformation, setting new standards for what a fighter jet can achieve. This is the story of the Saab JAS 39 Gripen, a Swedish marvel of engineering that is rapidly becoming a game-changer in modern warfare. With its advanced avionics, powerful engines and state-of-the-art weaponry, the Gripen is designed to dominate the skies. Developed by Saab, the Gripen has long been admired for its agility, versatility and cost-effectiveness. It is a multi-role fighter capable of performing a wide range of missions, from air-to-air combat to ground attack and reconnaissance. But with the introduction of the latest Gripen EF variant, Sweden has unleashed a true force to be reckoned with, a fighter jet that combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled adaptability. The EF variant features enhanced radar systems, improved electronic warfare capabilities, and increased fuel capacity, making it a formidable opponent in any combat scenario. The Gripen's impact extends far beyond its home country. It has become a symbol of Swedish innovation and engineering excellence, attracting attention from military forces around the globe. It has garnered significant interest from nations around the world, seeking a potent and affordable solution for their defense needs. Countries are recognizing the value of the Gripen's advanced capabilities and cost-effective operation. From Latin America to Europe, the Gripen is making its mark, challenging the dominance of traditional powerhouses like the United States and France. Its presence in international air forces is growing, and its reputation as a reliable and effective fighter jet is solidifying. This essay will delve into the multifaceted aspects of the Gripen's rise, exploring its technological advancements, strategic advantages, and global impact. We will look at how the Gripen's design philosophy emphasizes flexibility and future-proofing, ensuring it remains relevant in an ever-evolving battlefield. We will examine how this remarkable aircraft is altering the landscape of modern warfare and securing its place as a true revolution in the skies. The Gripen is not just a fighter jet. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence in aviation. At the heart of the Gripen EF's success lies its impressive array of technological advancements. Saab has equipped this fighter jet with state-of-the-art systems, ensuring it remains a step ahead in the ever-evolving battle space. One of the most notable features is the Gripen EF's Advanced Active Electronically Scanned Array, or ESA radar. This sophisticated system provides unparalleled situational awareness, allowing pilots to detect and track multiple targets with incredible precision. Whether engaging enemy aircraft or scanning the ground for threats, the AESA radar gives Gripen pilots a decisive advantage. Complementing the AESA radar is the Gripen EF's Infrared Search and Track, or IRS system, a passive sensor that enhances the fighter jet's ability to detect and engage targets discreetly. The IRS system is particularly effective against stealth aircraft, which are designed to evade traditional radar. In addition to its advanced sensors, the Gripen EF boasts a comprehensive suite of electronic warfare capabilities. These systems provide critical protection from enemy missiles and electronic attacks, ensuring the Gripen can operate effectively even in highly contested environments. The Gripen's reputation as a highly capable and cost-effective fighter jet has not gone unnoticed. Its advanced avionics, superior maneuverability and multi-role capabilities make it a formidable contender in the global defense market. In recent years, Saab has secured several significant international sales and leases, demonstrating the Gripen's growing global appeal. These deals are a testament to the aircraft's reliability and the trust that various air forces place in its performance. One of the most notable deals involves Peru, a nation seeking to modernize its air force and bolster its defense capabilities. The Peruvian Air Force has been in need of a versatile and modern fighter jet to replace its aging fleet, and the Gripen EF fits the bill perfectly. In a move that surprised many, Peru selected the Gripen EF over its competitors, recognizing its superior performance and affordability. This decision was influenced by the Gripen's advanced technology, including its state-of-the-art radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities. This landmark agreement marks a significant shift in the Latin American arms market, challenging the traditional dominance of US-made fighter jets. The Gripen's entry into this market signifies a new era of competition and innovation in military aviation. Peru is not alone in its embrace of the Gripen. The aircraft's appeal extends beyond a single nation, capturing the interest of multiple countries looking to enhance their air defense capabilities. Colombia, another key player in the region, has also chosen the Gripen as its next-generation fighter jet. The Colombian Air Force's decision underscores the aircraft's suitability for diverse operational environments and its ability to meet the rigorous demands of modern aerial combat. This decision further solidifies the Gripen's presence in Latin America and underscores its growing influence on the global stage. The Gripen's success in the region is a clear indication of its competitive edge and the strategic advantages it offers to its operators. Beyond Latin America, the Gripen continues to garner interest from nations in Europe and other parts of the world. Its adaptability to various climates and terrains makes it an attractive option for countries with diverse geographical challenges. The Czech Republic, a long-time operator of Gripen CD jets, recently extended its lease agreement with Sweden, showcasing its continued confidence in the platform. This extension highlights the Gripen's proven track record and the satisfaction of its existing users. As the Gripen EF enters wider service, its international footprint is only expected to expand. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, cost-effectiveness and operational versatility, the Gripen is poised to become a mainstay in air forces around the world. Section 4. The Price of Power, Gripen's Cost-Effectiveness Advantage. In today's fiscally constrained environment, nations are increasingly seeking defense solutions that offer maximum capability at a sustainable cost. The Gripen EF stands out as a prime example of this balance, providing advanced capabilities without the exorbitant price tag, often associated with modern fighter jets. The Gripen EF excels in this regard, boasting an impressive combination of performance and affordability. Its advanced avionics, superior maneuverability and state-of-the-art weapon systems make it a formidable opponent in the skies, all while keeping costs in check. One of the key factors contributing to the Gripen's cost-effectiveness is its single-engine design. This design choice not only simplifies maintenance but also reduces the overall weight of the aircraft, enhancing its agility and performance. Compared to twin-engine fighter jets, the Gripen requires less maintenance and consumes less fuel, resulting in significantly lower operating costs. This efficiency translates to more flight hours and training opportunities for pilots, ensuring they are always mission-ready. This is particularly important for nations with limited defense budgets. The ability to maintain a high level of readiness without straining financial resources is a crucial advantage for smaller air forces. Furthermore, the Gripen EF is designed for ease of maintenance and requires a smaller logistical footprint compared to its competitors. This means fewer specialized tools and less extensive infrastructure are needed to keep the aircraft operational. This allows for quicker turnaround times and reduces the overall manpower needed to keep the Gripen flying. The streamlined maintenance process ensures that the aircraft spends more time in the air and less time on the ground. Saab has also implemented innovative maintenance practices, leveraging advanced diagnostics and predictive analysis to minimize downtime and reduce sustainment costs. These technologies enable proactive maintenance, identifying potential issues before they become critical. The Gripen's cost-effectiveness extends beyond its operational lifespan. Its modular design allows for easy upgrades and modifications, ensuring that the aircraft remains relevant and capable even as new technologies emerge. Its acquisition cost is significantly lower than other advanced fighter jets, making it an attractive option for nations looking to modernize their air forces without breaking the bank. The Gripen EF offers a compelling blend of performance, affordability, and future-proofing, making it a smart investment for any defense force. Section 5. Agile and adaptable, Gripen's operational flexibility. The Gripen EF is more than just a technological marvel. It is a testament to Swedish ingenuity and their pragmatic approach to defense. Designed with operational flexibility in mind, the Gripen can operate effectively in a wide range of combat scenarios, from air-to-air engagements to complex ground attack missions. One of the key features that enables this adaptability is the Gripen's advanced avionics and sensor fusion capabilities. The Gripen systems are designed to seamlessly integrate and share data, providing pilots with a clear and comprehensive understanding of the battle space. This allows pilots to make quick and informed decisions, maximizing their effectiveness in any situation. The Gripen EF's versatility is further enhanced by its impressive payload capacity. It can carry a wide array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, allowing it to engage a diverse range of targets. Whether engaging enemy aircraft, providing close air support to ground troops, or conducting reconnaissance missions, the Gripen can be configured to meet the demands of any mission.